With .NET 8, a new rendering mode called Server Side Rendering (SSR) has been introduced, and the name might be a bit confusing with Blazor Server. However, Blazor Server Side Rendering and Blazor Server are two different things. Sometimes, for simplicity, Blazor Server is also referred to as Blazor Signal R.
Hello, this is Kazimierz Spin. Welcome to the Code with Kazik channel, where I demonstrate how to effectively learn programming and become a successful programmer.
Returning to Blazor Server Side Rendering, it is a new rendering mode that works similarly to a regular MPA application, such as ASP.NET Core MVC, but it is created in Blazor. This means the code runs on the server, and each request updates the content of the web page in the DOM. The whole process is very fast, transitions between requests are smooth, and features like stream rendering improve the user experience. The application itself looks like a SPA, but it is not, making this mode great for creating applications where there is not much interactivity, such as a blog, online store, company website, or product landing page. An application created with server-side rendering is search engine friendly and facilitates SEO and positioning. If you look at the source code of a page created with server-side rendering, you can see that all the content is well visible, just like in ASP.NET Core MVC applications, and unlike SPA applications, such as Angular, React, or Vue. I didn't mention Blazor WebAssembly here because SEO display has also been implemented there. Blazor server-side rendering has only one drawback: it lacks interactivity. This means that if we want to handle, for example, button clicks, apart from some exceptions, we need to use components rendered with Blazor Server or Blazor WebAssembly. And here you can see that we can combine all of this, and I will summarize everything for you in the next lesson.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this film, be sure to join my community, where you'll also have access to exclusive additional materials and, most importantly, fantastic special bonuses. The registration link is located in the description box below the video. See you in the next episode.